cow. I'm milking the cow. I'm milking the cow. And I got some fresh milk. Got milk. I'm gathering chickens. I'm gathering chickens. I'm gathering chickens. And I got some fresh eggs. We're gathering dairy. We're gathering dairy. And we both love dairy. I'm so glad we made the bus. I know, it would have been terrible. If we got one more tardy, Mom would have thanked us.
Oh,
like, how many have we gotten this year? So many.
So many.
You got one, and I got one. I can't believe it.
I know.
It's a shame. But wait, here we are.
Look outside! What? We're on the wrong bus! Ah! We need to run! But it's 2 feet away! I know! We're gonna be late for school! I know! We gotta run!
Wait, how come we're not going anywhere?
I don't know! Other way! And back again!
Wait, I think we're there.
It's right over there! Yeah, let's run!
Oh, finally
Finally,
made it
we're
to
there.
school.
Okay, I'll see you after class.
Okay, bye.
Bye!
Hey,
how are classes?
Good, but I have so much homework.
Oh, me too.
The bell just rang.
Yeah! Let's go to the pool party!
The annual pool party?
Yeah!
Woo! We're here at the annual pool party.
Yeah!
Woo! And everyone's hands. Let's jump in.
Now we're gonna swim back over to you.
Hi! Here we are again. Woo!
Let's party!
So much fun. We have to say goodbye now. We're going to go on the diving board. Watch me swim!
Okay, let's go on the diving board, okay?
Yeah! Woo! This is a school dance.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Look, this is my team. This is Joe.
And this is Snow. This is Snow.
Yeah. Look, hey, Joe, you want to go dance?
Do you want to dance, Schmo? Joe and Schmo are fraternal twins, which means they look nothing alike.
Okay. Joe, let's go dance.
Wait, no.
Joe, let's dance.
Yeah,
Joe.
let's dance, Schmo.
Joe! Joe!
I think
Joe's dead!
or he doesn't want to dance with me, but that's a whole nother story altogether, either way. So, you know what?
I think Schmo's dead too!
Stop breathing!
And someone call 911!
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Oh! And what an ass!
What? That's what we call the donkeys back home. Oh well.
I love dear Ooh, it's been a long day.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah, Joe died.
And Snow died.
Yeah, but I think altogether I pretty much had fun.
Yeah, even though I miss Snow, we had some pretty great memories
Yeah,
together.
and Joe.
But we'll miss you, Joan Schmel, and we know you'll have a good time in heaven.
Yep, we know it. We love you.
Yes.
Now, bye, everyone.
Bye.